installing the headlights. Gotta take that off. It's done. They had to splice a new connector in. Let's get in there. These guys are doing the speakers back there. Install the lip in a little bit. Alright, you guys ready to put the silicone?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Alright, use a small ratchet, guys. 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Try it with the pins. Don't forget that ground. That goes on top of the grommet.
Oh, it goes right here.
Yeah, it goes right there. Good job. There you go. Looking good. The lips on you as well.
Just now.